Hey there, future MBA achievers. Are you gearing up for the SNAP exam and aiming for that coveted 99 percentile? You're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through a detailed step-by-step strategy to ace the exam, covering everything from preparation to exam day tactics. So grab a notebook and get ready to take notes. This could be your key to success. Step 1. Understand the SNAP exam structure. First things first, let's get familiar with the SNAP exam structure. Duration. The test is just 60 minutes, so speed is crucial. Sections. There are 3 sections. General English, 15 questions. Analytical and logical reasoning, 25 questions. Quantitative, DI, and data sufficiency, 20 questions. Marking scheme. For every correct answer, you get plus 1 point, but for every wrong answer, you lose 0.25 points. Now here's the catch. SNAP is designed to test both speed and accuracy. With 60 questions in 60 minutes, you've got just 1 minute per question. This means every second counts, and guesswork could cost you valuable marks. Step 2. Set realistic goals. Step 2 is all about setting achievable yet ambitious goals. To hit the 99 percentile, your target score should be around 42 to 44 marks, though this may vary slightly depending on the year. Here's how you break it down. Aim to attempt around 50 to 55 questions in total. Maintain an accuracy rate of 85 to 90%. Remember, quality attempts matter more than quantity. Every correct answer boosts your percentile, but every mistake pulls it down. Step 3. Build your preparation plan. Let's dive into preparation, section by section. General English, 15 question. Focus on vocabulary. Learn synonyms, antonyms, idioms, and phrases. Master grammar. Practice sentence correction and active-passive voice questions. Tackle reading comprehension. These are short passages with straightforward questions. Strategy. Spend 10 to 12 minutes on this section and aim for 12 to 13 correct answers. Analytical and logical reasoning, 25 question. Strengthen skills in puzzles, arrangements, syllogisms, and series. Practice coding decoding, blood relations, and analogies. Strategy. Allocate 20 to 25 minutes and aim for 18 to 20 correct answers. Quantitative, DI, and data sufficiency, 20 question. Focus on arithmetic topics like percentages, profit and loss, averages, and ratios. Revise algebra, geometry, and number systems. Practice data interpretation sets for speed. Strategy. Spend 20 to 22 minutes and target 15 to 17 accurate attempts. Step 4. Practice mock tests. Mocks are your best friends. Take one full-length mock test every 2 to 3 days under exam-like conditions. Here's what to do. Simulate the test. Set a timer and avoid distractions. After the mock, analyze your results. Identify areas where you lost marks, especially silly mistakes. Use sectional tests to focus on your weak spots, whether it's reading comprehension or DI sets. Consistent mock practice will help you fine-tune your strategy and improve both speed and accuracy. Step 5. Strengthen core concepts. Step 5 is all about building a strong foundation. For quant, memorize important formulas and practice shortcuts for quick calculations. For verbal, read daily to enhance vocabulary and comprehension. A simple habit like reading editorials can make a big difference. For reasoning, solve puzzles regularly and practice logical deduction. This will help you think faster during the exam. Step 6. Time management techniques. Time management can make or break your SNAP attempt. Here's how to manage it effectively. General English. Spend 10 to 12 minutes. Reasoning. Allocate 20 to 25 minutes. Quantitative. Use 20 to 22 minutes. And here's a pro tip. If you're stuck on a tough question, don't waste time. Skip it and come back later if you have time. Prioritize solvable questions first. Step 7. Revision techniques. Revise, revise, revise. Maintain a formula notebook for quick review. Revisit errors from mock tests to avoid repeating them. Focus on frequently asked topics like percentages, DI sets, and logical reasoning puzzles. Step 8. Develop exam day strategy. On the exam day, stay calm and composed. Start with the section you're strongest in to build confidence. Stick to your time plan, but stay flexible if needed. Most importantly, don't panic. You've prepared well. Step 9. Slot-specific insights. If you're attempting multiple slots, treat the first one as a benchmark. Use it to gauge the difficulty level and adjust your approach for subsequent attempts. Watch out for any trends in question types across slots. Step 10. Stay consistent. Finally, consistency is the secret sauce. Dedicate 2 to 3 hours daily for focused practice. Avoid last-minute cramming. A few days before the exam, shift your focus to revision and confidence building. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Resources and tools. Here are some resources to boost your prep. Quantitative Aptitude by Arun Sharma. Logical Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. 4 mock tests. Check out Snap-specific series by Time, IMS, or Career Launcher. And that's it, your ultimate roadmap to scoring a 99 percentile in Snap. Stick to this plan, believe in yourself, and you'll nail it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one, and best of luck!